I think I'm going to use a magic to see their face just like this. What should I do next? Use a magic to see the face just like this. We got 108. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to exploring our number block 101 to 110. The first character is 101. 101 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 1 additional red block. Number block 101, we build first 100 blocks into a 10 by 10 square formation to make 100. And then we need to add 1 red block more to make 101. So we got 100 blocks. And then we add 1 more block to make 101. So that's our number 101. What should I do next? Okay, I have an idea. I think I'm going to use the magic to see the face reveal for 101 just like this. We got our number block 101 face. But don't think number block 101 is a football player. Yeah. Anyways, here's our numbering, and that's our number block 101. Okay. The next character is our number block 102. 102 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 2 orange blocks. Okay, we build 102 into 6 by 17 rectangle formation. According to number block 17 times table, 102 can also split into 6 lots of 17s, but also the number block 102 eyes are alien. That's because that number block 102 could also split into 2 lots of 51s. Wow, tall, too tall. Anyways, we need to do this. And then we attach it, and then I got number block 102. Okay, it's time to use the magic to see the face just like this. We got our number block 102 face. Here's the paint splats on it. Yeah, and that's our number block 102. We need to put a numbering, and here's our number block 102. The next character is 103. 103 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Also, number block 103 I built into 8 by 13 rectangle formation. However, there's 1 block gap, which means that 8 lots of 13s are 104, but minus 1 block gap equals 103, and the prime number. Well, we build 103 just like this. Now, it doesn't stack. We need to put it like this. Now we got our number block 103. And I think I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. We got our number block 103 face. And then we need to put the numbering for 103. And here's our number block 103. The next character is 104. Well, 104 I built just like 103, but this time it's a fully rectangle because number block 104 is made out of 8 lots of 13s. And according to number block 13 times table, number block 104 has the Octoblocks mask. That's because the number block 104 is unlucky with the Octoblocks mask. So that's our number block 104. I built just like this. Now we got our number block 104. Okay, what should I do next? Alright, I have an idea. Well, I think I'm going to use some magic to see the face just like this. We got our number block 104 face. And then we need to attach the numbering, and that's our finish 104. The next character is 105. I built 105 into 7 by 15 rectangle formation because according to number block 15 times table, 105 can split into 15 lots of 7s or 7 lots of 15s. Also, 105 has step-shaped mask, which means which has the number block 14's color pattern to represent 14th member of the Step Squad Club. So here's we need to build just like this. Anyway, Step Squad Club, which number from 1 to 14. Okay, that's our 105. What should I do next? Okay, I think I'm going to use a magic to see the face, just like this. We got 105. 105 has an explorer hat, and there's our numbering, and it's our number block 105. Okay, the next character is 106. 106 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 6 dark indigo blocks. We build just like this. By first we build into 10 by 10 square, and then we put 6 dark indigo blocks overall. Oops, sorry. Overall at the top. Okay. Oh, I forget. Okay. Anyways, we need to build it like this, not like that. Sorry. Now we got our number block 106. Okay. Here's our number block 106. Now, we need to use a magic to see the face, just like this. Here's our number block 106 face. So that's our 106. The next character is 107. We need to build 107 into 9 by 12 rectangle formation. But however, according to number block, according to 12 times table, we see that 12 lots of 9s or 9 lots of 12s are number block 108. However, if we build like this, we got a 1 block gap, which means that 108 minus 1 block gap equals 107. So we build just like this. Number block 107. Whoa, not again. Anyways, 107 is the prime number, 28th member of the prime club. However, number block 28 could split into 2 lots of 14s, which means love skateboarding. Anyways, here's our number block 107. Okay, I think I'm going to use a magic to see the face, just like this. That's our number block 107 face. And then we attach the numbering, so we got 107. Okay, the next character is 108. We built 108 just like 107, but this time it's a fully rectangle, because according to 12 times table again, we see that 108 is also could make into 12 by 9 rectangle formation. Now we build one by one. Okay, we build like this. Anyways, 108 is a super duper rectangle, has similar face to 18, because he could also split into 6 lots of 18s, and that's our 108. What should I do next? Use a magic to see the face, just like this. We got 108. And then we attach its numbering, so we got our number block 108. The next character is 109. 109, I'm going to build into, by first, 100 blocks into 10 by 10 square formation, so we got 100. And then we build 9 3 tones of gray blocks overall at the top, which lays 9 blocks wide at the top, so we got 109. Okay, this is our 109, and use a magic to see the face, just like this. We got 109 face. Then we need to attach it numbering, so we got our number block 109. Okay, the last character is 110. We build 110 into 10 by 11 rectangle formation. However, number block 110 is also could split into 10 lots of 11s. According to 11 times table, 110 has the face which has the green fire at the side of each eye, because she's the fan of the football club, which loves to play football. And there, super duper football player. Okay, we need to attach it easily. Okay, anyways, here's our 110. And then I'm going to use the last magic to see the last face, just like this. We got 110 face. Attach it numbering, so here's our number block 110. Also, today's video is the end. I hope you guys enjoy our number block 101 to 110. See you again next time, friends. Bye bye.